Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka ICA ka pinkre ya ka laway jongpi. Nagabinta ka tuition but coaching ka babhatam ya pi. Yes no but ka ICA.
Hagajing terulap ba keblane kumbakat tu kat ni kenta ke Skul Budha Vidi Nikitan Secondary School kepada Forest Colony hagathan Polo kelas Shlei berku kelarung syeduk ki kamera skul. Kumta kino hikai kila plat no Khynnah bagi Leit no Ïing. Kedi gajing Shlei kedai naduk kapor minstep bar hakapor kal BGAA kino hikai kila plat no yaki Khynnah skul. Uno hikai jagan ke skul ulayat ho bagani kamdai ke sin ke banding kong hene kedai ke belaju jia man kapor tang shoot heru labba bar kada kore namar kajing sakut ki jabwa Japan hakinala.
Yes, it's only there because of water rises, no, it is up to knee level. Water enters actually at around 9:30 at this stage. And then it rises by 11, it is up to knee level. So good luck. Yes. No, this year it is third time. Oh, that side, no, that near to there is a blockage. This water enters inside. Especially that side, no? Near to the see now when you go that time you can see there is a lot of blockade, no barricade. This is barricade.